in quotes, what we are waiting out of the audit. And I want to repeat myself, I want to be proved wrong. We may be having over 500 ghost workers. Yes. I'm waiting for that report. We were waiting for the assembly to pass the budget, the supplementary budget. Then we pay the institutions which were supposed to have been paid for them to give us the report. And in another, God willing, another 1 week or 2 weeks, we will have the report. If somebody came from Egypt to be counted, mama alikuwa mgonjwa, watu wakaenda, she called for the team which was counted, head count. Wakaenda mpaka kwa nyumba yake kumuona, indeed she's there. People were brought from hospital kuhesabiwa. Watu wakatoka hapa town, see, they came to the sub-counties for head count. They did the head count in the sub-counties. Wacha kwanza nipate hiyo report. Ndio mtasikia watu wakipiga nduru. Now, they will make noise, but we must reform. We can't continue. We can't accept few individuals pocket all money into their they pocket all the money from the county, and they do lists that we expect in the county and service delivery. Therefore, mkienda nyinyi kwa sababu mimi mko na mmeandikwa, lakini wengine, can you imagine kwamba kuna mtu clinician ambaye hawezi dunga mtu shindano mpaka ana hire somebody to do what? Kudunga. Huyu akikudunga atazadunga mfupa, hawezi dunga kwa mshipi. My brothers and sisters, and your young people, it's our time, it's our generation. We must fix the systems. Hata kama ni miaka 5, we'll say hallelujah, but the system will run. So that another person who comes from behind will say, yes, they lived great people ahead of us.